Title: Sammy Squirrel and the Golden Acorn. In the heart of Greenwood Forest, where trees whispered secrets and rivers sang lullabies, lived a bright-eyed squirrel named Sammy. His fluffy tail twitched with curiosity, and his paws were always busy gathering acorns. But one autumn morning, Sammy noticed something odd. The leaves, usually fiery red and gold, were crumbling brown too soon. Even the air felt heavy with worry. A forest in trouble. Sammy scurried to his favorite oak, where Old Owl, the wisest creature in Greenwood, perched. "Old Owl, why are the leaves fading?" he asked. The owl's amber eyes softened. "A legend whispers of a golden acorn hidden deep in the forest. It holds magic to heal the land. But the journey is perilous, across the singing river, through the glowing cave, and past the thorny maze." Sammy's heart raced. "I'll find it," he declared, clutching his tiny acorn pouch. Friends along the way. Sammy hadn't traveled far when he met Ruby Rabbit, bounding through ferns. "Where are you off to, Sammy?" she asked. When he explained, Ruby's ears perked. "I'll join you. I'm swift and can scout ahead." Grateful, Sammy nodded. Soon, they found Toby Turtle sunning on a log. "Come with us, Toby," Ruby urged. Toby hesitated. "I'm slow, but I've a sharp memory. I'll help remember the path." And so, the trio set off. The Singing River. Their first challenge was the Singing River, where waters hummed melodies that lured travelers astray. Ruby hopped onto a rock. "Look, stepping stones." But the stones were slippery, and the river roared. Toby suggested, "We move one at a time, steady and slow." Sammy went first, tail balancing. Ruby followed, nimble and quick. Toby, careful and deliberate, brought up the rear. Together, they reached the other side, cheering. The glowing cave. Next was the glowing cave, its entrance twinkling with eerie light. Inside, walls shimmered with glowing moss, but eerie shadows danced. Ruby trembled. "It's spooky." Sammy squeezed her paw. "Stay close." Suddenly, bats swooped, making Ruby yelp. "They're just guiding us," Toby realized. Following the bats, they discovered the cave's heart, a crystal pool reflecting moonlight, revealing a hidden tunnel. "We're close," Sammy gasped. The thorny maze. Exiting the cave, they faced the thorny maze, a tangle of brambles with sharp spikes. Ruby's nose twitched. "I smell the acorn. But how do we get through?" Toby studied the maze. Left, then right, then straight, he recalled from an old tale. Sammy led, ducking under thorns. Twigs tugged their fur, but they pressed on until, there it was. At the maze's center stood a majestic tree, its branches cradling the golden acorn, glowing like a tiny sun. The golden acorn. Sammy climbed the tree, heart pounding. As he touched the acorn, warmth spread through his paws. The ground rumbled, and the tree's roots rose, forming a kind face. "Well done, brave ones," the tree boomed. "This acorn's magic grows with kindness. Plant it where the forest needs healing." Sammy bowed. "We will. Thank you." Returning home. The journey back was swift, the forest itself guiding them. At the oldest oak, Sammy planted the acorn. It sprouted instantly, roots weaving through the earth, branches bursting with green leaves. Color returned to the forest, crimson, amber, and gold. Animals gathered, cheering as flowers bloomed and the air sweetened. Celebration and joy. That night, Greenwood sparkled with a feast. Fireflies danced, and the river bubbled with laughter. Old Owl hooted proudly. "You proved courage and friendship can conquer any challenge." Ruby giggled, and Toby's memory was key. Toby blushed. "We all helped." Sammy gazed at the stars, content. He'd learned that even the smallest creatures could make a big difference, with a dash of bravery, trusty friends, and a kind heart. Moral: teamwork, courage, and kindness can overcome any obstacle, and even the smallest among us can create big changes.